Have you ever looked at a world map and wondered how it came to look like this? Just 1,000 years ago, most of today's countries didn't even exist. Powerful empires ruled vast territories. Explorers hadn't crossed many oceans, and the borders we know today were nowhere to be seen. Over the next 1,000 years, wars, exploration, trade, revolutions, and the rise and fall of great civilizations would completely redraw our planet. In the next few minutes, you'll watch the world transform one century at a time. Let's begin in the year 1000. This is the world in the year 1000. Instead of the nearly 200 countries we recognize today, the map was dominated by large kingdoms and powerful empires that controlled vast regions. Europe was divided into medieval kingdoms whose borders changed constantly through alliances, inheritance, and conflict. Modern nations such as Germany and Italy did not yet exist as unified countries. Across Asia, powerful states ruled enormous territories, while major trade routes connected distant civilizations. These routes carried goods, knowledge, inventions, and cultures across thousands of miles. Africa was home to prosperous kingdoms connected by thriving trade networks. Caravans crossed the Sahara while merchants linked Africa with Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. But this map wouldn't remain the same for long. By the year 1100, the balance of power had already begun to shift. Some kingdoms expanded while others declined, and new rivalries emerged across Europe and beyond. At the same time, major campaigns between Europe and the Eastern Mediterranean influenced politics. Trade continued to grow across continents. Merchant ships crossed busy seas while caravans carried valuable goods across deserts and mountain passes. Comparing the maps of 1000 and 1100, we can already see borders changing and new powers emerging. But the biggest transformation is still ahead. As we move toward the year 1200, a force is about to appear that will spread across Eurasia with incredible speed, creating one of the largest contiguous land empires in human history. Let's see how the world map changes next.